guys, Lazy Bear, and today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the Spirit Halloween 2021 Henry Hustle. So, I pre-ordered this guy right around when he came out, and I knew was going to be one of my favorites for this year, which he already is, and this is probably my first prop that came out this year, and I know I got a few props from 2021, but these came out in 2020, so I'm really excited to open this guy up, and I've not seen him in person or the box in person, so I'm really excited to see him. So let's start unboxing this. Okay, so let's take the box out. I'm using the tipping technique. Okay, so here are all the pieces. We have the hand that holds the cards. And the hands are plastic. Well, here is the clown's head. Looks really good. This is the normal face. I see the demon face. Oh, he looks amazing. I love his teeth and eyes. And his makeup. Let's see what else. We have his clothing. His shoes, which are a different kind of shoes. They're not like the Seasonal Vision shoes. This guy's probably, I don't know if he's from Seasonal Visions, but he's probably not. These are the shoulders. His hat. His adapter. And this might be one of his arm pieces. I'll take a look at that. Piece of cardboard. I see his pants. This is the ring for his neck when he pops up. These are his pants. What's for right in the box is crank. His neck ruffles. Oh, his cards. Oh, I love his cards. This is the card he holds, and the other cards he holds in his other hand. This might be his mechanism. Alright, I need my scissors. Oh, but there's the other arm. And with this one, he moves. The arm, it moves. And so, the other pieces are zip tied. Unbox this. Oh. Right there. We have two poles. The pop-up mech with the a spring in it. Okay. I saw Brick Thunder's video and I didn't really know what the spring is for, and until I realized it's for the pop-up mechanism. Yep, it's for the pop-up module or mechanism. And the spring, I believe the spring's elastic. And the rest is in here, the base and the middle piece of the body. Hang on. Oh. This is the upper body piece. The base. Wait, put this up. And the other two pieces that holds the arm. So. Right, and instructions. Okay guys, so I have all the pieces all set out, and let's start putting them together. Here, let me get my instructions out first. Here we go. Okay guys, so this is his complete look. He looks really amazing. I love his cards, and as you can see, he's in the up position right now. And so before I get to the demo, I'm gonna test him out and see if he works well. I'll be back. Okay guys, he fully works. I have him plugged in right now, and he's on sensor mode, so here, let me show you.
Wanna play a hand? Stakes are high, and you may lose your life!
Okay guys, so when he retracts his head, the spring clings in the pop-up mechanism, and I'm not really sure if that's a problem. Yeah, you can hear the clinging sound, so I'm not sure if that's really a problem. I don't know if I put the spring in the wrong way. I don't know if it matters if it goes the wrong way, but either way, he still works.
Time for a trick! Remember this card!
And his head
It'll
pops
be the
up really
last
good.
thing you'll ever see!
I'll show you his last phrase.
Step right up and pick a card. It seems you've picked the card of death.
Okay, so that is the Spirit Halloween 2021 Henry Hustle. I really like him. One of my favorites. One of my favorite clown props that holds cards. I haven't seen any props that hold cards, so when I first activated him, so one thing I want you to know, so when I first activated him, his head snagged on a few fabric pieces in here, but I fixed it and his head pops up all the way up, which I'm really happy about because in a few demo videos, I don't really see other people's Henry Hustle's heads pop up all the way, but I'm happy with my Henry Hustle. So, there he is. So, I really hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will post a demo of him soon. Bye, guys.